You searched how to buy shares of Airthings ASA, so here is a clear step-by-step guide. Airthings ASA makes indoor air quality sensors and monitoring technology. It trades on Euronext under the ticker AIRX.OL, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker AIRX.OL to locate the Airthings ASA listing. Double-check the company name to ensure you have the correct security. Open the stock page to view basic company information and the price chart to see recent movement. Confirm that the listing corresponds to Airthings ASA before continuing. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order will be queued until it reopens. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once the trade is executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is available in the description if you want to follow the same steps.